What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. Now today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cop off the Sneakers app. This is actually going to be a follow-up video to a video I made a couple days ago explaining to you guys how to use multiple phones and get more entries. Now I do have another method I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, so I hope you enjoy. And before we get started, please make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. I'm going to be uploading videos daily showing you guys how to do tips and tricks like this. Okay guys, so the last method I showed you was actually using phones. Now for this method, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get multiple entries on your computer. So let's just get right into it, guys. So as you can see now, we're on my computer, and there are a couple things you guys are going to need before we get started. The first is going to be this proxy switcher. Now I will link it down in the description below. It's a simple and easy Chrome extension. All you got to do is download it and you're good to go. Next, you're going to need proxies. Now you can use your own residential proxies, but personally I like to choose the free ones online. I haven't had a problem with them and they seem to work just fine. I will link a list of free proxies down below if you guys are interested. So once you have the proxy switcher and your free proxies, you're ready to go. Alright guys, so once you have the Chrome extension installed, just come over here where it says new profile and make a new profile. You can name it anything you would like. Make sure you have proxy profile selected and hit create. Now once you have your profile made, come over here and find a free proxy and then just simply put it into your profile. Also guys, make sure you have the right port, otherwise it will not work. And once you have the proxy switcher downloaded, you're good to go. You're going to want to input your proxies. Now I will warn you, some of the free proxies might not work the first time, so you might have to try out 3 or 4. And let's say there is a draw going on, all you're going to want to do is come over to the proxy switcher extension and click on the profile you just made. Now as you'll see, it'll reload the page and then you'll be good to go. So once the page is refreshed, you're good to go. You can enter all your Nike accounts. Now I would advise you to make new Chrome users for each person you're going to be entering, just so Nike doesn't track any of your cookies. I would highly advise you watch the part 1 of this video so you know how to jig your address and a couple other useful tricks. I will link it down in the description below. Now if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and check out some of my other videos. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.